Pre-game meal, how was it?
Yeah, it's banging, except for the meat. It's alright, yeah, it's alright.
We're in fucking Japan, bro. We're in fucking Japan, bro. Look at just take it. Just look at that, bro.
Boys, so like
Look where we are.
putting on jeans, yeah?
Yeah, oi, everyone work hard, eh? Don't fucking let them, just because we're in Japan, we're having a good time, don't let this game fucking skip our minds. We've all got to put in the work and enjoy.
This is why we're here.
It's huge, boys. Which other school's doing this right
You
now,
didn't come
eh?
from Japan to lose, bro. Come
Which
on.
other school's doing this right now?
Bro, these guys are fucking quiet, yeah. So let's be fucking loud as well.
And if they say arigato, konnichiwa up and help you up, bro,
to go fuck
Bro,
yourself.
Plumber can respect their culture, bro. Bring our culture here.
That's it,
alright?
yeah, boys.
Tear them apart.
Hey, boys, boys!
What's cross? Middle! Jake, right shoulder! Hey! On it! DJ, watch switch. Right behind, yeah? Watch play! Still on! Elbow, elbow, elbow! Corner! Go back close! In the hole, come on, Mark! Get, hey, stop walking, jog! Chris, you're short! Josh, come in! Go side! Josh, he's yours! Chris, come in! Josh, yours up there! Play! Best! Yes! That's June, Josh, do it early! Oh. Hey, Louis! Man, closer! Come on, man, more! Danny, what's your man? Pressure! Stand! Right! Defense! Right shoulder! Shay! Who's left? Boys, get your shape right, come on, DJ. In, what's close? Watch behind you, Ben, watch behind you. Elbow. Set up, back close.
Keep working, Ben, keep working.
Come in. Josh, edge of the box. Louis, too close. Louis, in.
You know the ref's gonna be fucking quiet.
Short. In line, yeah. Right. Out. Over me. Parking out. Louis, man. Hurry. Straight off. Rock. Someone on edge. Return. Hold. Wait. Nico, back foot. Return. Hold. Wait, get them. Yeah. Go bounce. Yes. Let's go. This way. Yeah. Ben. Turn. Got time.
Thank you. Well done, keeper. Thank you.
Para Madrid.
Huh?
Go, boys. 1-0 win.
Good, the boys. Yes, hey, hey. Yes. Well done, boys. Toin Gakuen. Which one? Check.
Might be this one.
Yeah, I got it.
It's cold.